What happens when you bring together two scientific superpowers to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges? For the past decade, Birax has been doing just that. This multi-million-pound initiative from the British Council and British Embassy in Israel invests in world-leading research jointly undertaken by scientists in the UK and Israel. And through the years, Birax has showcased the power of international collaboration. Let's take one example. We supported a collaboration between Queen's University Belfast and Tel Aviv Sourasky Medical Center, developing algorithms to diagnose and manage age-related macular degeneration, a blinding condition affecting hundreds of millions worldwide. By analyzing retinal scans and patients' data using artificial intelligence, they found ways to customize patients' care, aiming to retain patients' eyesight for longer and keep them safer too. That was just one of the 26 projects Birax has supported so far. Along the way, Birax has demonstrated that when we work together, our data goes further. Over 5,000 eyes were screened in the macular degeneration project. Without Birax's funding, such large-scale analysis would have been impossible. When we work across borders, we identify confounding factors. The eye scans included British and Israeli patients' eyes, helping account for genetic and environmental variation. And together, our perspective is broader. The UK and Israel have differing perspectives on the same problems. This diversity of thinking enriches our science. When we team up, we can reach higher quality outcomes faster, sometimes saving years. It's a win for the UK, a win for Israel, and a win for science. After 10 years, over 100 publications and thousands of citations, we have a lot to celebrate. Multiple patents have been awarded, and we've seen significant economic benefits. PwC London found that some projects have a potential return on investment of over £18 for every pound invested in the first 4 years. But when we ask our grantees about what Birax means to them, it's clear that Birax goes beyond scientific outputs, funding mechanisms, and economic benefits. It's also, and more importantly, about building bridges. Grantees share stories of competitors turned collaborators and of newfound friends made. They've crossed cultural boundaries and had their misconceptions challenged. Birax unites communities around the shared cause of advancing progress on global challenges. Over 1,200 people, including scholars old and young, have been connected through our Birax conferences alone. Through each interaction, we strengthen the ties and trust between the UK and Israel. None of this success would have been possible without our coalition of partners across government, philanthropic foundations, and charities. If we continue growing through ongoing participation and support, who knows where the next decade could take us? Join us, and together we'll accelerate this powerful partnership.